Jig and crankbait. I think that's all you need.
Texas right there.
All right.
If we're pitching.
All right.
Oh man.
Oh.
Here we are.
Yes.
We're talking baits?
Yes.
We're talking plastics, soft plastics,
Baits.
crankbaits, hard baits, jerk baits, spinner baits, top water. What are we talking about?
I just
Drop shot.
t-shirts.
Yeah, I'm wearing this T-shirt today because you know it's all about positive energy. This shirt here gives a positive energy to the fish.
It does.
Which correlates in catching more and bigger fish. So that's the game plan.
Oh, like a feeding shelf.
Yeah, exactly what it is.
More and bigger fish.
Yeah. Sounds about right.
All right, we're going to the Mississippi today. Impulse trip. I want smallmouth. I'm sick of grass. I don't want to flip it. So I want to go crank. And that's what we're doing.
You know,
Let's go.
You think to yourself, when you get done with work, what do you do with your day?
Let's
Do you go fishing?
go.
Yes, you go fishing.
Oh my Lord, take this soul, lay me at the bottom of the river. The devil has come to carry me home, lay me at the bottom of the river.
Hey boys.
We finally made it. It took about an hour because of the frick construction in the cities. It was hell. But we made it to this beautiful, pristine river. Way better than last time we were here. Look how much nicer it is. It's not just dripping with bloody current. We're calling this the after work special. What are you gonna do when you got 2 hours after work to kill before nightfall? AWS. You go fishing. This is AWS. From the bay, by the bay. Down the bay. How's your new foot?
Alright.
Good.
Be a lot better if I get a hook set. So you're just trying to replicate. Here's one. Got him. Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not. No, it is not, little. No, it is not, little. Storm, net this baby.
Storm, I could use the net right about
Storm,
now.
we could use the net up on this thing up in here in the front of the boat.
So fast at me,
Oh!
This is an airborne range.
This guy right here is a crazy smallmouth, okay? Now this guy will jump and spring load all freaking day. This is a pretty good sized fish, bro. Get him, Storm. Storm is a pro netter. Oh, bud. Oh, that's a big ass. Look how big that is.
This might be a 4-pounder, dude.
Dude, that's a tank. Look, that's a little one.
It didn't feel big at all when he was fighting, man.
You know, the one positive thing is that we caught this size fish in the tournament we had.
How he,
That is the one positive.
look how he ate that, dude. The whole BX Brat fits right in his whole mouth.
Oh, dude, he loves himself some BX. Loves
Well,
himself some
boys.
BX. How'd you catch that guy?
Dude, there's a bunch of wood right there, and I was just casting on it. After just grinding this BX Brat on it. This thing actually is extremely weedless.
Let's see that bait.
It's
What color is
Rapala's
that?
new bait. This color's called Haymaker.
The color's sick.
Yeah.
Little chartreuse, little natural.
You get you about 4-pound smallmouth. Like
That's a
that.
chunk.
All right, let's get a
Chunk.
picture here and then we'll get a release.
All right, put that beauty back.
Let's let her go.
You know what they say? Free the fighter. Hashtag Smallmouth Alliance. See you later, honey. Thanks for showing yourself today. It's a real pleasure. Thanks for showing up a couple weeks ago on the tourney, too. That was nice of you.
Another one.
We're going to turn around because I got to fish them out.
Where's my cold one?
You don't need it, buddy.
I don't get a cold one?
You don't need it.
No, I don't need one?
No, you're in great shape. You don't need it.
There's a lot of beers in here.
I thought you didn't like beer.
Yeah. Talk about bridge
There's
fishing.
one. What I do... Oh, there he goes. What I do is I fish in the slack water behind these bridges. And you want to just throw your bait out there. I don't know how big this guy is. But, oh! Yeah, it's okay. Hold on here. Lay him down. These current fish are feisty. He's pulling. Oh, man. He's so decent.
Go help him land it, Storm.
Honestly.
I think I got him. There he goes. Little fella. God, he's strong in the current, isn't he? He hooked himself in the side. He had it in the mouth and it swung out. But that was a good example of you can see the slack water that I'm in. We're in current, I'm not even moving. That's because I'm sitting behind this bridge piling. And that's where the smallies will sit. They'll face nose up into it. So you always want to cast your bait up into the current, bring it back. And that's exactly what this little guy was doing. He was just facing nose up, pitched to the side of the beam, swept past and smacked it. Fun catch.
Come on, Ned Rig, don't fail me now. There we go.
Got him?
Got him.
Oh, he's hooked up, son. He's hooked on up,
That's
I
why I
think.
said, don't fail me now, Ned Rig.
Oh, Ned.
Actually, I don't think this is a smallmouth, dude.
What is it?
Why is it not jumping?
It's big. Might be a walleye. Is it a fish? Or is it a piece of wood?
Fish, dude.
Oh, yeah, he's going up current now. Oh, it's pretty good sized, I think.
Oh, it's big.
Oh, she's
a
thick.
net.
Oh, it's a Mondo, bro. Oh, yes.
What is it?
It's a smallmouth. It's not a Mondo, it's a 2-pounder.
Yeah.
It's just strong as an ox. Look at this fight on this thing, dude. I tell you what's really helping me get them is my ability to use this, utilize this great Hawaiian shirt to my benefit.
All right, Storm, get him. Get him.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
That's a good fish. It's a good smallie. They're so strong in this current, man.
Oh my God, they're lightning strong.
I got them on that peanut butter and jelly Ned Rig.
Again.
Deadly.
Again off the bridge in the slack water, right on the pillars.
Bridge, man. There's a point that comes out right here, unlike that other side. This whole area right here is slack water. We're not
Flat,
even right now. We're actually
slack,
moving.
smallies.
It's a good one, man. That was a fighter. 2-pounder.
Yeah, they're
I'll
fun
take
in the river.
2-pounders, man.
Heck yeah, dude.
I will take 2-pounders.
All day.
Peanut butter and jelly, baby. ZMan. Thank you, Mr. ZMan.
Here's another one. I'm on him. I'm on him. This one's called a tree fish. God, man, these sticks moving the current like that, dude. Possible not to think it's a fish.
That's a big one. Oh, dude.
Same spot. We got a school.
Dude, Storm, get up here and throw. He doesn't know he's hooked right now. He's about to freak out. There he is. Now he knows he's hooked.
Oh, he's got a tree with it too. He's got a tree
Grass.
on there.
That's grass. Heads up, Storm. Get in here. Nice fish. Nice tasty fish. Is there a school on the bridge? That's a decent one. Oh, God, I'm having a tough time getting my hands on her. Yeah, he wasn't coming off.
Got there, Jake.
He wanted that crankbait. You know what they say. When they want it, they want it. When they eat it, they're gonna eat it. That's what I got right there. Nice tasty smallmouth on the crankbait. They're fat. It's a fat, plump one. I love smallies. Let's send her home. Let's send her home. Tell your friends, come to the party. Update for you on the river. We caught 6 smallies, lost 2. So it's been a decent plucking thus far. They've been tight to cover. Tight to the rocks, tight to the slack, tight to the bridge pylon. So anytime you put it next to a little seam or eddy, brought the bait down, that's where you pick one up. Crankbaits, Ned rigs. Those are the 2 baits. The 1-2 punch. A little fast, a little slow. They've been eating it. We've got 2 more spots. Try to pluck a few out before dark. Bring in another giant.
Well, I want to make some good casts onto this whole wall right here. I think this wall might have where they might be stacked up. There's one. That's a good one too. Yeah. Pulls down. Pulls down. That's okay. That's all right. What do you think about that one there, Stormer? This 2-pounder? Just a couple 2-pounders. Put that one on the Ned rig again. These are classic smallmouth baits.
That's just your tip of the day. When you find a school of smallmouth, don't get snagged right in their den where they're all schooling.
Don't get snagged in the smallie den. Dirty son of a.
Huh? A Ned rig? Just retie that jig head on there. It's already tied on for you. Then just Texas rig it. Here's one. This one feels better.
Good?
Yeah. Oh, he's fighting.
Oh, he's fatter.
Oh, no, same size.
Just another member of the
Just another one of these fighters.
mighty school. Oh, he's a little bigger.
A little better.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out, Storm, when I come to the landing seat. Actually, screw it, he flipped it.
Oh, he got lasso.
Oh, yeah, he got lassoed himself, and then he unlassoed himself.
Lasso to unlasso.
Jeez. Look how he swallowed this thing, dude. Oh, he...
Set him free. Quick release. All right, homie. Thanks for showing yourself.
There he is. Yeah.
Oh, jumper. Jumper on the Ned. Look at that.
Storm's got the dock. That's okay though. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Airborne Ranger.
These smallmouth will jump out of the water any day of the week. Careful there, little fella. Careful there, you little fella. It looks good in the red. Gotta learn.
The worm stuck in his throat.
Pull it.
There we go.
Nice little smallie.
1.5 pounder. What's the average size we catch on this river right now? Here's another one. Yeah.
Luke's hot right now with this.
That's a better fish.
Luke is so hot right now with this Ned rig. Ned rig's a deal at night. I want it slow. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him for Donnie. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. A little better?
Oh man, this peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, that peanut butter and jelly shrimp.
Peanut butter and jelly Ned rig. Get to see some nice smallies on the Mississippi River. And it's the shirt. It's the shirt, baby.
It's also that shirt.
It's the shirt. Oh, right when we're leaving.
Take him nice and easy. Take him nice and easy, buddy. Get that net there.
I got one right on cue,
Keep
dude.
him up, baby.
Oh, it's a hog!
Keep him up, homie.
Is it a hog? Oh, he's gonna bulldog.
Coming to my side. Get on the left there. Keep him tight. Keep him tight.
Let me see. Lift the rod tip up higher. I can't see.
Here he comes.
I don't see him.
Keep your hand on the reel. There he is. There he is. He's right there.
Well, I can't see him.
Right there. Get under.
Oh my god.
Got him. Oh,
It's a
no.
2-pounder.
Yeah.
Dude, they
I'll
bulldog.
Yes, Storm.
Oh, man.
That away.
Okay.
Everyone is on the board, baby. Way to finish the night on the last cast.
Finish strong,
Storm,
Stormy
why don't you
Q.
close us out with that beautiful smallmouth?
It really just had to be done.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed today. Mississippi River smallmouth fishing, the after work special. You got 3 hours to kill. Why not go to the river and throw some crankbaits and throw some Ned rigs?
Yes, sir.
Probably 10 smallmouth today. Why don't you go ahead and let her go, Storm?
Get that beauty back
Send her
in
off.
there. Send her home. Send her back to her greasy abyss. There she goes.
Get going.
There she goes.
Oh my Lord, take this soul, lay me at the bottom of the river. The devil has come to carry me home, lay me at the bottom of the river. Oh my Lord, take this hand, save me from the gallows.